welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Halloween video. This year I decided to do a very simple Cruella De Vil look, and this is the look that inspired me right here. There are a lot of really amazing Cruella De Vil looks, but I wanted to make mine really simple so anyone could do it. So like I said, this was my inspiration right here. I just had a simple makeup look, some green eyeshadow, and then the hardest part probably was the nostrils, because as you can see, she has really dark nostrils. That was probably the hardest part for me, but I tried to make it really simple. So if you guys want to see how I got this Cruella De Vil makeup look, then keep watching. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm going to emulate this Cruella De Vil look. I'm going to start by moisturizing my skin using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. Then we must prime today. I'm going to use the Tarte Poreless Primer. This is one of my favorites. And I want to have kind of pale skin for this look, so you can either use white face paint if you want, but I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation in the lightest. This is the Photo Focus foundation. It is so good. And then after I applied that all over my face using this Sonia Kashuk marble sponge, which I love, I am then going to go in with a really light concealer under your eyes. And here's another, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. If you don't have a light enough foundation, you can always use a concealer as well, and that will work. And I'm just going to dab it into my skin and apply a little on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base as well. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes just to set the concealer applied on my lines on my forehead and my smile lines. Now I'm going to go in with the It's Everything palette. It's the Mariah Carey by MAC. I'm going to use the really black shade for my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to go with my natural eyebrow. You can do this a couple ways. You can use your natural eyebrow, or you can glue your eyebrows down, cover them up, and kind of do more of an oval shape, but I decided to go more natural and easy. Now I want to go ahead and I want to put bronzer in the crease using a Morphe M441. This is going to just start as the shade that will help us blend everything together. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with that gray shade in the palette, and we're going to apply that just underneath of the transition color. We are trying to build, because ultimately we're going to be going in with a dark black in the crease, but I'm kind of trying to blend it so it gives you kind of an ombre effect. Now I'm going to go back in with the It's Everything palette, go in that black shade, just kind of apply it with the outer corner and go inward and just keep blending. Sometimes when you use black, it can tend to get a little messy, so just be careful. Now I'm going in with the Jaclyn eyeshadow palette. There's a really dark black shade, and that's what I'm going to use. Now you can take this a little higher. I decided to just kind of keep it low, and you want to make sure you don't put anything on your eyelid, because that is where the green eyeshadow is going to go. Now I'm going to go in with this Alamar palette. It's a shade Celia. It's a beautiful green. I'm using my finger to apply it because it's going to give it the most pigmentation. It is such a pretty color, and I just thought it was a really vibrant pop. Then I'm going to go in with a cream shade. This is going to go underneath my brow bone to kind of highlight it. You can see in the picture it's very highlighted. We are going to wipe away the powder, and then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder just to kind of give me more of a flawless finish. Okay, I'm going to curl the lashes, and you can use false lashes if you want. I am just going to go in with the Essence Lash Princess. Apply it to the bottom, and now I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light palette, and we are going to contour the cheekbones. She has pretty contoured cheekbones, so I'm going to go in. You can use a gray shadow if you want to. I'm just using a normal one, and then I'm going in kind of with a smaller eyeshadow brush to kind of give it a little more defined effect, and then I'm going to go in and blend a little more. Now I'm going to go in with a Tarte blush just on the cheeks, and for my nose, this was actually the hardest part. I'm going to use a shadow, or you can use a liner, and I just took a really pointed brush, and I'm just going to kind of outline my nostrils, because we want to kind of black those out, because if you notice in the picture, that's how her nostrils are. You can also try to contour your nose, but again, I was trying to keep this look very simple. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to go in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Red. This is one of my favorites. I was looking for a really bright red because that's what she was wearing in the picture. And then after I line my lips, I'm going to go in with the shade by ColourPop. This is one of my favorite reds. It is in the shade Creeper. So I'm going to apply that. And that's it, guys. This is a really easy lip look. Feel free to put your own spin on it. Of course, I had to add a little bit of highlighter. This is by MAC. And after I apply the highlighter, I'm going to spray my face. And that completes the look. Let me know how you like it. Have a wonderful day.